What's up, guys? Welcome back to 604 Diecast Customs. Hope you guys are all having a great day. I know I sure am. Merry Christmas to all you guys. I know I haven't made a video recently or since Christmas, so here she is. It's Monday, and the mail showed up. I was hoping to get this before Christmas, but it just never made it. And we finally got it today in the mail. We got the 82 Lamborghini Countach LP500S. This is the new Redline Club. As you see, it's got the collector's special edition. Intended for adult collectors, not under the age of 14. Nice box. They're pretty typical here. So it's got the Lamborghini, as you can tell, Hot Wheels on top. Lamborghini on both sides. We'll get this thing open. I'm not gonna lie, this is the one car this year from the Redline Club that I've actually been excited about. I got the two Porsches, and those are awesome. But this just blows it out of the water for me. Like, that Magnus Walker box set is awesome, but I don't know. Something about this. So even just the outside box, the artwork on it, very well done. I love that. A lot of you guys will start to notice I actually like and appreciate the artwork and the card art a lot more than the cars a lot of the time when we're looking at Hot Wheels. Just something about art design and things on the cards. It's always gotten me. The way they do the backgrounds on the sets and stuff like that, I've always been a big fan of. This is a very nice drawing of the Countach. Again, we've got the special edition there. And we've got this. Beautiful, as you see, metal, real riders. So it's going to be a nice car. It's got a Lamborghini on this side. And the whole box has actually got a bit of a metallic flake to it, which is kind of funny. Looks good. Looks really good. $96.34. They produced 12,500 of these. So not a small production number, but there's been bigger as well. But look at this thing. It's just amazing. The metallic red on this. That's good. Carefully get this off. Maybe. So that's nice, even on the case. It's got the Lamborghini and the crest, if you want to call it. That's with a little piece of plastic that was just to hold the doors up in shipping, but look at this thing. I know a lot of guys not a big fan of these wheels, but with the color, it goes really nice. Look at that color though. Beautiful color. So shiny. You can even see the Hot Wheels reflecting off the color on here. I thought it was part of the car for a second there. That's crazy. These do go down. Oh, I see what a lot of people are saying. These doors do feel a little flimsy, seeing as this top piece is all plastic. The bottom is the metal. But, I mean, if you're careful with them, look at that thing. That's beautiful. It's got the emblem on the front. It's got the lights. It's even got a painted windshield wiper. They don't do that on a lot of cars. It's usually just the same color. It's even got the The lights underneath here, the fog lights and stuff on the bottom. Kind of hard to see, but it's got the the door vents are painted there. Really nice car. Wow. The interior's got a two-tone. I think there's some detail on the seats, the seat belts. Yeah. Really nice. Go around to the back. Full detail on the back here. It's got the Countach there, Lamborghini. It's got the full tail lights. Wow. Sorry, I'm almost at a loss for words. This thing's amazing looking. That color though, good lord. That red is just crazy. Very, very glad mine showed up in good shape. I saw someone posted theirs today on Instagram, and it looked like it had been run over by a bus. It was a little ridiculous. Both the doors were snapped off. Everything was busted up. The whole case had been like, this whole case was probably half the height that it should have been. It literally looked like it fell off something and got ran over by a pallet jack. So, not good. I'm glad mine showed up. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you this. This thing's freaking amazing. I'm so glad I got my hands on one of these. A lot of guys have been complaining about the Hot Wheels site. They can't get their cars. Every time I've tried to get a car, I've gotten one, so no complaints from my end. I also don't go for the JDM stuff, so a lot of the time those cars get sold out real quick. The only one I tried for that I missed was the Gumball 3000 Aventador, and that one went in like split seconds. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching again. Have a great day.